How to customize the background color and style for all buttons on the Android XML interface like this. Please watch the video. I will guide you step by step in detail. Because I want to customize the common interface for all buttons, I will do this in the themes.xml file instead of customizing each button. This is the application interface before customization. Let's get started. Go to the Race folder, then select Values, select Themes, and double-click on the themes.xml file. The first step is to set the shape for the button. You create a style element named Custom Button Shape, whose parent element is a Material 3 appearance shape. Inside this element, you create an item corner size, which is the radius of the corner to be rounded in dp units. Next, you create another style named Custom Button Style, whose parent element is a Material 3 button. Inside, you create an item linked to the previous style via the Appearance Shape attribute. The final step is to declare the Material Button Style in the master of the Android project you want to use. And here is the result. Do you think it's great? Now, you can add color to the button via the Background Tint attribute. For example, I give the button a white background color. Okay, you want to change the color of the text displayed on the buttons. Just set it via the Android Text Color attribute. For example, I will give the text a black color. That's it. If you find the video useful, don't hesitate to give me a heart, and don't forget to follow me so you don't miss out on cool and completely free programming tips.